Good morning, Dainfern College family. Can you see where I am this morning? I am at school. Look at this beautiful, fresh, crisp morning that I greet you from today. Isn't it just gorgeous? Dainfern College family, welcome to this beautiful day. I hope you have all woken up feeling bright and happy, and that you have had a good week learning, growing, having some fun, and experiencing the experiences that the past week has brought to you. My past week has been back with the family, back with your teachers, back at school, getting ready to prepare the school for when you all start to come back. Isn't that wonderful? You've been safe with your family, and soon you'll be back with your other family at Dainfern College. And Mrs. J has something more to say about that.
Good morning, mums and dads and boys and girls. I hope that you have had a wonderful week so far, and it's really lovely for me to be with you this morning. Now I thought, and you would have noticed, that it's suddenly gotten a little chilly over the last few days. And with that, the best weather to make a delicious vegetable soup. So here are my ingredients. So boys and girls, I love to spend some time in the kitchen, and in doing so, I love to think about all sorts of things, and it's usually my family. And this morning I've been thinking about your families. My Dainfern family, your teachers, and all of you and your families, and obviously my own too. Now, have you noticed that there are many different people in one family? Different personalities, different ages, different likes, and different pastimes that each person enjoys spending time doing? Now, that got me thinking on making a soup actually. Imagine having a soup with only water. Or just having vegetables like mushrooms in my soup, or only carrots, with no seasoning and no flavor or anything else to make it delicious. That wouldn't be very interesting at all, would it? Least of all delicious. So boys and girls, if you look at my ingredients on my table, I have got everything cut up and ready to go, but there are many different types of ingredients. From celery to onions and mushrooms and carrots, salt and pepper and different spices to really give it that delicious flavor. Now I know sometimes it might be a little frustrating in families with all these different personalities and different elements in our families, and that can be quite difficult to negotiate at times. But it really makes us appreciate our families as we get through those difficult times, and we come out on the other end and we realize, wow, what a special unit we are. And with these ingredients, every single one of them, including all the different spices and things to make it taste delicious, we end up with something quite fabulous. And that is my delicious, hearty, homemade soup. I hope that your week ahead is a blessed one. We all look forward to seeing you soon, and we send lots and lots of love from us to you all.
Dear
Dear Father, this morning we remember that you sent your son Jesus to live in a family. That's how important families are to you. You know that our families are the places where we are safe, the places where we are loved, the places where we are so known and so appreciated and so cherished and so safe and warm in that beautiful, loving space which we call our family. We ask you today to please bless all our families. Thank you that we have been safe with our families for the time of lockdown. Thank you for the love our families have given us. Thank you that our families are our most precious, precious spaces. And now, as we come back to school and back to the Dainfern College family, we ask you to bless each and every one of the Dainfern College family members. Please keep us all safe. Help us to be brave and strong. Help us to exercise self-discipline and self-regulation as we try so hard to obey the new rules that are in place to keep us safe. Help us listen to our teachers. Help us honor you by our behavior and all the things that we do every day. For our Dainfern College family really is a gift. Just as our family at home has been a gift, we now move into our other family, the Dainfern College family. And we ask you to please, dear Lord, keep your protective hand on the Dainfern College family as we move into the next phase of this time of difficulty in the world. All this we ask in Jesus' name. Amen.